Hey guys, we received this AirZine Robo Vacuum. This is a G20 Pro model, and as you can see, this comes in a nice protective box. So let me just take out everything. So quick start guide, manual, extra accessories thing, like the remote. So this can be operated by the remote or through your app on the mobile. So it's the charging adapter, magnetic strip, so that you can put these strips to avoid the vacuum to go in the restricted area. So this is very helpful. This is the main vacuum. So the good thing is it have a mop function as well. So this is the charging station. So the brush. So this one is the tie. So you can just put in the stuff. This is the mop things as I mentioned. So it can be also used for the wet mopping. As you can see, you can also change this mop, like you can wash this cloth and put it again. So this is the overall thing, and just to remove this protective covering and everything is a rechargeable robo vacuum. And these are the two brushes that you need to put. So color coding, so you can easily put in. So just push it down. So this have this covering just to put your rotator. You can also clean this rotator with the tangled hair and everything. So this is pretty nice thing so that you can clean it easily and can be used much more efficiently. So this is the case on top. So just put in here. So this one is the main chamber. So this is the cutter tool or the cleaning tool. And then also this is the main dust collection chamber. So you can just take out your dust from it. So you can also put in the water. I will show you. And then also have the the mop function. So this also have this air filter thing. So I can show you a little later on, but you can change and wash this filter. So this is the main unit where you can put in the water. So just put in the water in this. So if you want a wet mopping, and this water can will go inside here, and then you can put it on the top of it, this adjustment or this attachment, and then you can mop your hardwood floors with this water thing. So this is the charging port or the station. So let me just put in this charging port thing here so I can show you everything. From the app, you have to download this app and then install. You have to connect the device. For connecting the device, you have to double press the top button. And once you add the device, this will be added. And you can see which model, which thing, press, reset, and then adjust. So this will take some time. And once it is all installed, you can see that the device is added. And now this is ready to go. So you can also update your firmware directly from the app. So this is very helpful. You can recognize the zone. You can set everything. You can send and see, like if I give the command, this start working. So this is a really nice, good app control and the smart vacuum. And you can also see, like when it's stuck in this position, it just revert back. It will sense the things on its own. So this where something comes in between, it will change its way and try to clean. So it will follow a pattern, and this brushes and everything will get more clean thing. So this is I'm just showing you as a demo. So you can see that how this will work and go, like in between the spaces, and then just do the stuff. And it's really like small model, so it can go below the furniture wherever they can, and then clean up the stuff. So see if I put in the feet like it's stuck and just rotate, see where he can go, and then it will easily clean up. So this is a really nice model, as you can see. So wherever it can go, it will go, and then try to clean the stuff. With the app control also, or with the magnetic strip, you can also arrange or adjust the area. So here you can easily go like below this table and then clean up the stuff. So that's what I'm saying. So it can go like below the tables and stuff. It can also do, the cleaning on the top of the carpet. So hardwood floor as well as carpet, both it can do easily. And then it's pretty good. Like you can give the command, it can go to its station on its own and then charge itself. You can see the pattern it's following. So I'm just showing you some critical steps just to avoid the long lengthy time. But it can clean up the things pretty nice. And as I can see here, and all the dust will be collected in its chamber. So see, like for the cleaning, as I mentioned, that I will show you. So you can just take out the chamber from here, and you can see all the dust and thing collected. You can clean this up. This is the filter. You can also clean this filter with that supplied brush and all these filters. So all the dust and everything will be collected. You can clean this everything and those filters and then the box and then just use it again. So it's a pretty nice vacuum with a smart app control, remote control. You can also do it manually. So this is basically you can do a lot of things with this. And also it's a really nice cleaning thing that I can see with the good around 5500 PA strong suction and then also the other things. So I will just take out this dust and then clean this up. So pretty nice, a very nice robo vacuum.